Alright, so I am going to trim this piece. Usually when I have something very tall, I don't usually cut it off the wheel. If I am not using the wheel again, I usually let the wheel spinning while the piece is drying so that it will dry more evenly. Especially even it's in the room, sometimes the wind still, there's a air circle around, and if you don't turn it, sometimes you have one side drier than the other, and it's harder to trim something that is very skinny. So that's why I leave my wheel spinning during the drying process. And usually when drying, the top is dry faster and the bottom is still, there's still a little bit moisture here. And I didn't remove it from the wheel so I could trim the right side up. And to prevent it from falling off the bed, I will use a clay coil to kind of hold it here. I haven't cut it yet. The pieces still stick on the bed. Right, and I am going to test out my newly designed looping tool, still under development, and hopefully will turn out, especially still figure out how to sharpen the angle. That will be better. Just test it out. The new tool, that new handle and the loop. So I'm removing the holding clay so that I could reach the bottom. Right, So overall it's okay for trimming, but sometimes I can still find a very fine line that is hard to remove. So probably the grinding angle should be improved a little bit so that it's more follow through. But this is the tungsten carbide loop with the wooden handle, nice wooden handle, and it's gonna be my tool under my name, but still developing, still figure out how to sharpen the angles. I will bring my other carbide tool that is this kind of shape, not a looping shape, to finish it up. So after all, I didn't like my previous design, so I get the tool. Since this is dry, so I use my carbide tool to remove the clay here, to remove the marks, the horizontal lines, remove it, and then I use the drill bit to drill little holes here for the decoration, this part. And for this part, I was using this special tool. It's called Surform, Surform. Use that to trim, just hand trim it. Okay, trim so that I leave the texture here. So this is a new look for the same piece, just to let you know. And also I told you that I was not going to trim the foot, so I leave the foot flat actually. So the foot is flat with my stem here. A little bit of foot in here, just use the trimming tool to trim. Since I remove a lot of clay, you can see that lots of clay here, so the whole piece is very light. Okay, I was using about 6 pounds of clay, 6 pounds and 5 ounces. This one I would say maybe half of that. Okay, half of that. Okay, very light. Okay, so thanks for watching.